Working for yourself has perks, but if you get hurt, who's paying the bills? That's where voluntary workers' compensation comes in. Independent contractors and sole proprietors can choose to cover themselves with workers' compensation, even without employees. Why you might need it? Legal compliance in states where it's required for certain licenses. Job opportunities. Many big companies won't hire contractors without proof of coverage. And lastly, financial protection. Medical bills and lost income after a work injury can be devastating. With voluntary coverage, you're ensuring your own ability to work. If an injury sidelines you, workers' comp can pay for treatment and replacement sum of your income until you're back on the job. Every state has different rules, so check yours before your next contract bid. Next Insurance makes it easy, apply in minutes, get covered instantly, and show clients you're ready for anything. Click my link in the description for your instant quote today.